Python mock multiple return values. I am using Python's mock.patch and would like to change the return value for each call. Here is the caveat. The function being patched has no inputs, so I cannot change the return value based on the input. Here is my code for reference. My test code. io.prompt is just a platform-independent, Python 2 and 3 version of input. So ultimately I am trying to mock out the user's input. I have tried using a list for the return value, but that doesn't seem to work. You can see that if the return value is something invalid, I will just get an infinite loop here. So I need a way to eventually change the return value so that my test actually finishes. Another possible way to answer this question could be to explain how I could mimic user input in a unit test. Not a DUP of this question, mainly because I do not have the ability to vary the inputs. One of the comments of the answer on this question is along the same lines, but no answer comment has been provided.
You can assign an iterable to side_effect, and the mock will return the next value in the sequence each time it is called. Quoting the mock documentation. If side_effect is an iterable, then each call to the mock will return the next value from the iterable.
For multiple return values, we can use side_effect during patch initializing also and pass iterable to it. Sample.py. Test_sample.py.
I think the simplest solution is using a combination of iter, patch, side_effect.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.